2025 Mercedes-Benz GLA. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's full of phenomenal features that any driver would appreciate, such as automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, rain sensing wipers, Bluetooth. Come in now. This vehicle is ready for immediate delivery.